Hello, I'm Alex Kurzhanskiy, a researcher at PATH, a program that exists under the auspices of the Institute of Transportation Studies. And I work together with Murat Arcak, an EECS professor. I want to tell you about our joint capstone project where you get to build a digital twin of the streets around the Berkeley campus. And yes, buses with cameras are involved. Here's the problem. If you've ever tried to get anywhere near Memorial Stadium on a football Saturday, you know the campus periphery has moments, game days, commencement, construction that seems to have its own tenure track, and less fun to think about the risk of an emergency evacuation. The people who manage all this, Berkeley's parking and transportation department, are good at their jobs. But their planning toolkit is basically experience and spreadsheets. When they want to try a new shuttle route or change how a parking lot fills up on game day, there's no way to test it first. They just have to try it on 40,000 real people and see what happens. We think there's a better way. This project puts dash cams on bare transit shuttles, the buses that already loop around campus all day anyway. An AI pipeline turns that video into data, where queues form, where people double park, where pedestrians and cars get uncomfortably close. We combine that with the campus parking sensors, and we use all of it to calibrate a simulation model of the whole campus periphery, a digital twin. And once you have a twin, you can experiment on it guilt-free. Want to know if opening the stadium gates 30 minutes earlier actually helps? Ask the twin, wondering whether that construction detour will quietly ruin Bancroft for a semester. Ask the twin. It's like a video game version of Berkeley traffic, except the final boss is commencement. So what would you actually do? Depending on your interests, you could work on the computer vision side, teaching models to spot cues and near misses in dashcam footage, or the modeling side, building and calibrating the simulation with real data, or the analysis side, running scenarios and turning results into recommendations that parking and transportation will actually use. That's the part I want to stress. This isn't a toy project. The department is a real partner. They meet with us monthly, and your work feeds into real decisions about real streets. It also all goes open source at the end, which looks rather nice on a resume. What do you need coming in? Solid Python, that's it. The computer vision, the simulation, the statistics, you'll pick those up as you go, and picking them up is honestly the point of a capstone. So if you'd like your code to make game day slightly less chaotic, come join us. The buses are already driving around. They just need a brain.